Hey guys, alright, I'm almost on top. I'm still going. This road is a little bit it's not good for cars. Can't say it's damages the mountain. It's supposed to be like that. It's a little bit rocky. So yeah, as I go, I see a lot of animals today. Zebras. They've got a lot of zebras out there. Yeah, the apologies for me bouncing around. Looks like a bobblehead. This I need to keep the phone steady, but it is a little bit difficult with this road. So I'm just going slowly, crawling over these rocks. Just gonna get a spot where I can take off the drone and fly all the way to that fence. So then that's a good way for me not to go all the way that side. So then I can sort of park my vehicle somewhere and then start walking. But if the fence is damaged and there's people, I need to go with my car. So I can warn the guys and tell them not to be there. They're not allowed to be in the park. They are illegal. And so yeah, what I normally do is when I do a mission like this, I close my number plates. So a lot of people will ask why you do that. It's like criminal behavior. So the reason I'm doing that is that you never know which people is between the ZCC guys, because they were never armed or aggressive. They always left the park peacefully. So, but you never know who is between them, who's amongst them, criminals and stuff. So you might sit with a criminal or two amongst them, and then it will create a problem for you. So that's why I'll rather go with my vehicle, which is a little bit closer, which I know I can run to if something happens, if they chase me or whatever the case may be. I'm also armed. I never go without my firearm, which I will never use unless I totally need to for self-defense. That's not the reason I am here, that's only for self-defense, but that is the very last resort. I will never use it. I cannot. I've been trained not to do that. That is very last resort. If my life is in danger and threatening, and I know that for sure I'm gonna die if I don't react, that's the only reason I will use my firearm. Otherwise, that's a no-go. It's not even there for show. I just carry it with me, and then whoever sees it and whatever they want to do about it, or want to do with it, is their problem. They also see I am armed, so if they want to do something, then they are looking for trouble. But in any case, that's not the reason I'm going there or doing anything. I just mention it because of, you never know what criminal activities is going on the side of the mountain. What I do know is they do poach. They did put snares all over the fences where the water hogs go through. They catch them, they eat them, they cook them. They also catch small game like the rooibos, the impalas, the blesboks, even the eland. They caught them and then they slaughtered them here in the park. And then there's people with firearms who shoot them. I think it's bad, it's cruel. You can't do that. There's hunting farms, dedicated hunting farms, where you can go and pay for your meat. You go and you hunt legally. And the place is dedicated for that. Fauna and flora is having control over things like that. I mean, there's always a control over something. You cannot just go and shoot or hunt and you don't know anything about what to hunt. There's a farmer that will tell you don't hunt this, don't hunt this, because they know which species are overpopulated and which species they are not allowed to shoot because of they're underpopulated. So there's a lot of things I'm not familiar with. All the things that's what I know. I never studied it. I might be wrong, but that's how I got it. So Gatswane Nature Reserve is not a hunting place. It's a place for you to come and enjoy the day, do a game drive, look at the type of animals, see how they live and what they do, what's the behavior and all those things. You can study them and all those things, but not to come and hunt and slaughter them. That's not why they are here. If they are getting overpopulated, what they do is normally, the fire have it, is that Pilanesberg will come, or whoever will come, they will load them, catch them and take them to another place where they need them. So you can't hunt here. It's not a place for hunting. So for the people out there who wants to come to Gatswane here in Rustenburg Nature Reserve, is a very nice place, awesome place for you and your family. Come enjoy the day. I promise you're gonna have an awesome day. Make sure you put sunscreen and ask the people around where you can go, what you can see. There's a lot of things you can do, and I think in the future there will be better things coming up on the park. They are planning to do a lot of things. That's way in the future. I don't know when, what is the plans, but I'm telling you, things will. This is an awesome place to be. If you're a nature freak like me, come and enjoy the day here at Nature Reserve in Rustenburg, Gatswane. Very awesome people working here, very nice people. If you don't stuff them around, they will not stuff you around. But that's only me. Alright guys, I'm still on my way. I'll talk to you guys as soon as I get closer to the fence. Yeah, enjoy.